Principal's Diary, come handbook. An amazing tool for school leaders, administrators, aspiring to be principals, vice principals. The tool which will guide you step by step how to take reports, how to monitor your school in 360-degree, how to efficiently administer your school, how to cover all the areas of your school. It gives you a guidance regarding the action plans, the monthly action plans, what are the minimum tasks, what is CBSE asking, what is ICSE asking, what are statutory bodies asking, when the affiliation is due, when you have to fill up board forms for your students. It will also tell you about the admission alerts of various colleges. It will also remind you about the circulars coming from the statutory bodies like CBSE, ICSE, UP Board, IB, Cambridge. It will also tell you about the correspondences, important days, holidays, exam schedule. It will cover a lot of daily monitoring activities like syllabus completion, student enrichment program, attendance registers of staff and students, online meetings, checking of teachers' diary, when to collect fees and when to send a fee reminder, when to check day book, to take a smart class usage report from all the classes, to check the strength sometimes, to assign morning assembly duties, to plan for Saturday activities, when to plan for the examination and unit test, when to make a date schedule for the examinations, when to assign. It will be a reminder when to assign your teachers about preparing the question papers. It will remind you each and every day what you're supposed to do. It will help you in monitoring at 360-degree. If you're aspiring to be a principal, this is a great tool. If you follow all these things religiously each and every day, then imagine what kind of a principal you're going to become in future. And if you're a seasoned principal, how can you work without a principal's diary and handbook? You have got a lot of things on your head. Every day you have been working like anything. You also need somebody to remind you, something to remind you. And yes, principal's diary is the tool. Principal's handbook is a tool which will daily remind you. The usage is very easy. You appoint a receptionist or you ask your vice principal to follow it, to take a report and submit you a report. The report is going to be there in your hand every morning and you will get to know what are the deficiencies, what are the problems, what are the correction areas in your school. And then as a principal, you can correct them very well. The principal's diary is going to enhance the quality of your school to many folds. It will take your school to the next level of schooling. And imagine when the quality is highest, then the brand image of your school is going to be on the top level. So good luck, good wishes. I wish you all the best with this principal's diary. Thank you. Have a great day.